5 to 6 years.
Senior NPP leader and Cabinet Minister Rakkam Sangma has called for significant reforms in the autonomous district councils, expressing optimism that the proposed 125th constitutional amendment will bring about essential changes. Although financial assistance from the Government of India is sufficient, he emphasized that the core issue is the system itself. He alleged that the previous Congress-led government left council employees unpaid for extended periods, a problem that persists despite NPP leadership. Sangma stressed the need for major reforms to rebuild trust and called for collective efforts from MDCs, employees, traditional leaders and citizens to enhance the district council system.
So we have seen the Congress was, before NPP take over, Congress was ruling the council. They have left unpaid about 30 months, 20 plus 30 months, right? After that, some leader have taken over. Now it's with the NPP, right? This problem is continuing. But to me personally, the district council need a major reform. Otherwise we cannot the trust on our administration will go down from the government.